Hi everyone, today I want to take you on a little journey into the world of Mobile Legends, especially two incredible popular Mobile Legends in Clash of Clans, and the surprising source of many insight as I like to call him my gaming guru. Okay, I'll be honest, I was never that interested in gaming. He's the types of who can spend hours strategizing for one match in Mobile Legends or planning a clean clan or war in a Clash of Clans. At first, I didn't understand it. I thought my spending so much time on a game, but over time, I began to realize that this game, especially when played strategically on can teach us a lot about teamwork, resilience, and even life. Okay, so today I want to share some unexpected lessons I've been learned from my tito for Mobile Legends in COC and how they can apply beyond gaming world. Lesson 1. The power of rules in teamwork in Mobile Legends. In Mobile Legends, each player has a specific role. Tank, fighter, mage, marksman, assassin, or support. Now, here's what I found fascinating. My tito taught me what each role has a purpose in that winning in ML requires not just individual skills but synergy. Okay, this got me thinking about the real life. In any team, whether it is a family, workplace, or friend, from recognizing each person's strength and working together rather than competing for the spotlight. Watching my tito lead his team with his awareness inspired me to appreciate different roles and to see how everyone in their own way contributes to the bigger picture. Lesson 2. Long-term planning in Clash of Clans. Clash of Clans is a different game. It's all about buildings, defending and planning for a long term. My tito has this way for meticulously upgrading his defense, collecting resources, and timing attacks to maximize rewards. It's strategic, thoughtful, and requires patience. I asked him why he spent so much time planning each move and explained that in Clash of Clans, quick impulsive decisions don't get you need to think about the bigger picture, manage your resources, and protect in what you have built. Go. This lesson of patience is long-term planning struck a chord. We live in the world that often rewards immediate gratification, hot in games like Clash of Clans and life. It's the people who are willing to invest is steady, consistent progress who see results. My tito's approach to his clan became a reminder to me to slow down, consider my long-term goals, and value steady growth over instant wins. Lesson 3. Adaptability and Resilience. Both Mobile Legends and Clash of Clans require resilience and the ability to adapt. In ML, you might be winning 1 minute and the next a single mistake can turn into the type against you. In Clash of Clans, all your hard work can be destroyed in a single raid. My tito has faced countless losses but never takes it too personally. Instead, he analyzes what out for the next match, watching item date, the rate in the stage, I realized that failure doesn't have meat to end. It's a chance to learn and grow, teach adaptability, and sometimes I've seen them apply visitors of gaming as well in his work and personal life. We all faces setbacks whether at work, in relationship, or in our person's goals. What games like this teach us and what may do reminds me of constantly is that resilience and adaptability are everything. Losing one battle doesn't that you have lose the war, it's just the period of the journey. Lesson 4. Communication is key. In Mobile Legends, quick communication is essential. You have to alert your team about enemy ambushes, request backup or strategies on the fly. My TikTok taught me how important it is to stay connected with his teammates through constant communication. It's no different in life. Clear communication is the misunderstanding can lead to the failure, but clear, honest, and respectful communication helps everyone stay aligned with their game. Lesson 5. Enjoy the process, not just win. At the end of the day, both games are about more than winning. Sure, victory feels great, but real rewards is the learning and the challenge. My Tito enjoys every game, win or loss, because he's invested in the process. He always learning, evolving, or always having fun. Life is too about the journey, more than destination. When focused only on the goal, whether it is a promotion, a new achievement, or an impressive, we miss out the joy of the process. Celebrate the small wins along the way. Thank you for watching.